A few days ago, we went over the Jordan 4 Paris Olympics, and in this video, I'm gonna break this pair down, throw them on feet, give y'all my official rating for this sneaker. Believe it or not, it actually grew on me more than I ever expected it to. Materials are a little different, we gonna get into it, but yeah, Paris Olympic 4s are actually pretty clean, bro. If y'all are watching this on release day and are debating if you should pick this one up, I think you should pull up to the mall and see what these are looking like, if these are even sitting. In this video, I got estimated stock numbers on feet, what I think they're gonna go for, all of that coming up. If you're doing up enjoying this one, make sure you leave a like on it down below. 200 likes is the goal for this video. I'm not gonna lie, consistent Nori is trying to enter the chat again. There's a lot of shit going on in my life right now that I'm bittersweet on, kind of excited about. There's just way too much, but let's go ahead and get into this Paris Olympic Jordan 4. We're gonna break this sneaker down from the outsole, working our way up. There's actually a lot of different materials that I want to go over, so let's go ahead and get into it. On the outsole, we have this dark gray, almost like a graphite shadow gray kind of vibe, really dark, that also carries onto the midsole. You can see the matte version here. Then on the heel of the sneaker, it has a more glossy finish. Heading onto the upper, we got this taupe haze type material, almost looks like raw leather. I don't know how to explain it, bro. Like, it could flake off. If you have the taupe hazes, you know what I'm talking about in the comments. I think it makes it pop a little bit though, almost gives it like a darker feature. Moving on up, we do have this nubuck leather, definitely smooth to the touch. It actually does have some back and forth motion. That same gray follows throughout the whole sneaker. Darker gray on the wings and on the eyelets. They do have like this cement steel type vibe to them. On the back, got the Jumpman logo on a dark gray tab. Same shit on the other side. One of my favorite pieces on this sneaker has to be the liner they decided to go with. It's almost like a soft suede velvet type of vibe. I don't know how to explain it. Once you get these in hand, you definitely will see. Light gray insole with a dark gray Jumpman. This is almost a Jordan 4 Craft remix. It has some of the features from it, like mesh on the side isn't really there. It's just an illusion head ass. Same thing right here, but I do think it just gives it like a more luxurious feel. I don't know why. There's actually no patch on the front. It's embedded on there. Let me know what y'all rate these on feet. Y'all seeing right now what's going on. Is this a cop or a drop from the on feet portion alone? To me, I think these gonna be a cop, bro. I think these are a cop, dead ass. Stick around because we are gonna talk about stock numbers in a little bit. These are currently going for damn near a little bit over retail. We still haven't seen the release, obviously, so prices are probably gonna dip. Shit's crazy. It's a great time. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. You could go ahead and get any of the OG Jordan 4s for damn near retail, bro. Like, I might fuck around and double up on the breads. I feel like that's gonna be a pair that long term I'm gonna cook, so I might need that, not gonna lie. We do got the Paris Olympic 4s, which I could see going for damn near 200, maybe 190. These days, shit is crazy, bro. Let me know in the comments if this is a pair you're gonna be picking up. I think it's extremely wearable, given if you protect your sneakers. We might have a little sponsorship, a little new brand deal going on soon, but we got these right here coming real shortly to an outlet near you, possibly. But I'm just talking out my ass because at the end of the day, I heard that stock numbers are around 110,000 pairs. Take that with a grain of salt, but that would mean that this is the most limited GR this year, low key. We had a bunch of different 4s and this might be the most limited. Kind of makes sense because it is an SE, which means special edition. They're calling this the Jordan 4 SE wet cement, bro. They went from the Paris Olympics to the wet cement. Yes, I'm trying to tell y'all just one last time in case y'all ain't watched the last video. Doesn't make no sense. Their explanation for it is that it reminds them of that aesthetic on the concrete streets of Paris, bro. That's what they talking about when it comes to these. That's the storytelling. I think this is a 9 out of 10 sneaker. I love the cool grays. There's a bunch of little features on this pair that almost separate it from the cool grays and elevate the sneaker. I think it's a cop personally, definitely. If you could find these anywhere below retail, bro. Anything below retail is definitely a must cop for me on this pair. In case you don't know, these are gonna drop this Saturday, the 27th at $215. I don't know if y'all heard, bro, but next year we're gonna get the Jordan 1 Bread 85 highs. Long ass name, I understand. They're talking about we about to get charged $250. I want to see what the f is gonna happen with those, bro. We might have to go on strike, I'm not gonna lie, because $250 is insane. Like, y'all trying to trickle your way up to $300, and that's really when shit about to go on clearance a sale, because we not paying $300 for no shit like this. Hence why damn near every Jordan is going on sale these days. They're damn near shooting themselves in the foot. I think the Jordan 1 High 85 bread might sell out at $250, but when they start price matching that with other sneakers that aren't the bread, shit's gonna be bad, bro. I'm not gonna lie, shit is gonna be bad. I would rate these a 9 out of 10. Off the rip, 9 out of 10. Simply based off the wearability, quality on the materials. They clean, bro. They clean. I would rank these amongst the top 5 Jordan 4s this year. How you gonna tell me on feet these shits ain't fire? How you gonna tell me on feet these shits ain't fire? Like, I need you to let me know, please. I see some of y'all in the comments of that last video talking about these is trash. Are they still trash on feet though? That's the question. I don't think I would compare these to the Cause 4s neither. I've seen that comparison out there a couple times. I don't think you could compare apples and oranges type shit. There's two different sneakers. One is a collaboration, one is a GR. There's way more attention to detail obviously on the Cause. It's almost like a up here kind of sneaker, one of my grails personally, and I still wouldn't compare this to it. I just think this isn't a realm of its own. I would rather compare this to the Cool Gray because they're more so attainable compared to the Cause 4s where those are like $4,000 type shit. Something new I might start implementing to the channel depending on y'all feedback. Read in the description for the sneaker on Sneakers app, just in case some of y'all care, you feel me? But let me know for future videos, should I add that in or dub that whole shit? It basically says this wet cement pause edition of the Jordan 4 draws inspiration from the cobblestone streets of Paris, evoking their rustic yet sophisticated aesthetic. A mix of nubuck leather and suede gives these gray hues some texture and dimension, making this monochromatic shoe fit for any route or avenue. Whatever the f that means, bro. That might be a one and done, because I don't know what I got from that right here, bro. They talking about these look like the streets of Paris. If you're in Paris and you're watching this video, can you testify? Does this look like the streets near you, bro? Is this a pair you're gonna be going for this upcoming Saturday, or are you gonna wait for them to go on sale? Have you been patient with all these Jordan 4s? There's been so many of them. If you were to pick up 3, let me know in the comments, would these make it or are these ass to you? I respect it either way, I'm not gonna lie. If I had the Cool Grays, I wouldn't buy these. But y'all already know that because I said that in the last video. These are clean though. I think it's a cop, especially being that it's the Olympic 4, just like we had Olympic 7s. We got Olympic 6s coming soon, so Olympic 4s might mean something down the line, you feel me? Also subscribe for the review of these, which is coming real soon. Y'all know I try to cycle my reviews. This week we're focusing on these. Next week we're focusing on these right here. Jordan 4 Paris Olympic has officially been wrapped. Pause, bro. What is going on? That pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, go down below and leave a like on it. The goal for this video is 200 likes. Y'all could do that easily, bro. I know y'all could do that, bro. Subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 30K. As y'all can see, I'm trying to get back in the groove of posting, so your support would definitely motivate me to go crazy like I was going. But boom, one last on foot clip, throw it on the screen for them. This is what they gonna be looking like. If y'all need these, bro, don't hesitate. I'm not telling you what to do, but if you do have a sneaker store near you and you've been hesitating on copping these, pull up and see what they looking like in hand, cause I think they clean, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, but check out one of these 2 videos, cause that's what YouTube's recommending you to watch. Based on your previous history, bro, I think they on to you. They know what you be watching, so click one of these 2 videos and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.